In front of me I've got Microsoft Surface Pro 7 Plus. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to Menu, enter Settings, and now go to Personalization. Right here you can change background of the screen display. You can set contrast themes and normal themes. Next you can change colors of the system. Enable or disable transparency effect. And change system mode between dark, light or custom. Next, you can manage lock screen images, you can adjust touch keyboard, startup applications, you can adjust taskbar, apps, you can change font, and manage device usage. Also you can go to System, Display, and here you can change brightness, enable night light, change color profile, enable HDR function, change scale of the display, display resolution, display orientation, enable rotation lock, manage multiple displays, and then you can go to graphics and advanced display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.